The problem started with my morning walk. Every day at exactly 6:17 a.m., I leave my flat, walk for 23 minutes, buy milk, and return. Not because I am disciplined or mysterious, but because my stomach demands tea at 6:45 sharp. I am a simple man controlled by caffeine. Unfortunately, my neighbor, Mr. Sharma, is not simple. Mr. Sharma is retired, bored, and has unlimited imagination. One morning, as I locked my door, he looked at me suspiciously and said, "You walk at the same time every day?" "Yes," I replied. "Milk." He nodded slowly. "Milk?" he repeated, like it was a code word. That was my first mistake. I should have added cow or packet or something normal. Things escalated quickly. One day I forgot my phone at home and returned after 2 minutes. Mr. Sharma was still standing outside. "Forgot something?" he asked. "Yes, phone." He smiled, changing plans at the last moment. Very smart. I laughed politely. He did not. From that day, he started observing me. Not openly, professionally. From behind newspapers, plants, and once, I swear, from inside a parked car that did not belong to him. I began noticing other evidence too. I work from home. My job involves spreadsheets, emails, and online meetings where everyone pretends to listen. But to Mr. Sharma, my laptop meant classified work. Once he asked, "What do you do exactly?" "I work in data," I said. His eyes widened. "Data analysis?" "Yes." "National or international?" "Mostly Excel," I replied. He wrote something in a small diary. The situation became serious when I ordered a shredder online. I had old bills. Normal people shred bills. But when the delivery guy left, Mr. Sharma appeared within seconds. "A shredder?" he asked. "Interesting." "It was on sale," I said weakly. He leaned closer. "You should be careful. Walls have ears." I wanted to tell him walls also have paint peeling off, but I stayed silent. Big mistake. Silence encourages madness. Soon other neighbors joined his theory. Mrs. Gupta from 3B started greeting me with respect. Too much respect. "Good morning," she whispered, like we were in a library for secrets. The watchman saluted me one evening. Saluted. I smiled back, confused, holding grocery bags with onions sticking out like evidence of a very boring mission. My breaking point came when Mr. Sharma rang my doorbell at night. I know, he said dramatically. Know what? I asked. You are undercover. I sighed. Mr. Sharma, I am 35, single, and I cry during insurance ads. He shook his head. Good cover story. The next day, I decided to end it. I invited Mr. Sharma for tea. He entered my flat carefully, scanning the room. No hidden cameras, I said, only dust. I showed him my work emails, my Excel sheets, my calendar reminder that said buy milk. Then, to finish the mission, I opened my bank app. This, I said, is the financial condition of a secret agent. He stared at the screen. Long silence. Finally, he said, government should really pay you better. Since that day, the neighborhood treats me normally again. No whispers, no salutes, no suspicious diary. But sometimes, when I leave at 6:17 a.m., I will see Mr. Sharma watching from his balcony. He nods, I nod back, just in case. Because honestly, if anyone in this building is hiding something, it's definitely him.